Hello students, welcome to the online teaching system presented by Nasra Public School. Today we will be discussing about a chapter called Application of Gears. By the end of this topic, students will be able to explain what a gear is and how it makes work easier. Now let's get started. There are many applications of gears in so many everyday use machines and devices. In this slide, some machines are mentioned in which gears are used, such as watches, electric screwdriver, metal cutting machine, and automobile gearboxes. Now we are going to discuss about two different machines or objects in which gears are used to make them workable. So the first one is pendulum clock and the second one is bicycle. Pendulum clock is basically an old-fashioned clock. You can see in the picture here, it consists of a swinging heavier weight which hangs or attaches to the rope or chain. Now the cord is connected to the gears. You can also see gears in this picture of pendulum clock. The number of teeth or cogs is different in each gear and each gear moves at a different speed. Now we are going to discuss the purpose of these gears in the pendulum clock and what do they do. Before starting this, let me recall you one thing, that this pendulum clock also has a clock hand as normal clock has. So these seconds, minutes and hour hand of the pendulum clock moves when these gears move at different speed. It automatically turns the hand of the clock, and that is how pendulum clock works. Next we have bicycle, which is made up of many small parts that work and held together. Gears are helpful in machines like bicycle. Bicycle also has gears which make the wheel of a bicycle move when you turn the pedal. By the help of these gears, you can magically make your wheels turn around much faster than you are pedaling. Now finally, we will take a look on the uses of pulleys and gears. They are used in different machines such as clothes dryers, sewing machine, windshield wipers on cars and egg beater. Now let's have an overview of this entire session and see what we have understand in this class. Gears have so many applications in everyday use machines and objects, and they make these objects workable. Thank you students. Hope you like this presentation. If you have any query regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment section below.